What's up, you guys? It's Levi here. Welcome to the CyberSecurity Education Channel. So, I started this channel back in March of 2019 to create a place where the average person can come and learn about cybersecurity concepts to help protect themselves from all of the crazy cybersecurity things that are going on in the world today. Every year they just seem to keep growing exponentially. They're getting huge, right? I've been in the IT industry since 2008 through various roles throughout various organizations, and I've just seen a huge knowledge gap by the average person in those organizations, and it makes sense why there's so many organizations and there's so many people out there getting hit by these cybersecurity incidents that are going around. The knowledge gap is just causing major issues from people and organizations all over the world, and I want to be able to bridge that knowledge gap so that these incidents will go down and there's less people and there's less organizations being impacted. I mean, just looking at 2019 itself, there was tons of ransomware attacks practically on a daily basis, sometimes multiple places in multiple days all over the world. And I only see that getting worse in 2020 and beyond, unless there's education out there to help people protect themselves from ransomware and terrible things like that. So this channel is here to educate the average user with cybersecurity knowledge to be able to help protect themselves from all these crappy cybersecurity things that are happening in the world, and do it while making the content interesting and funny, unlike a lot of the other cybersecurity channels that are out there or IT channels that are out there. I'm sure that you guys know what I'm talking about when you're watching some of these IT training channels where it's just monotone. It's like, hello, my name is Levi. And like after about 30 seconds of that, you're like, well, my goal is to make this interesting and fun for you guys so that you guys can enjoy watching this content and also getting something out of it to bring back home and help yourselves and apply that information to your everyday life and protect yourselves from these cybersecurity threats so that you guys don't have to have a miserable life getting hit by one. If you guys find something helpful from this channel, or you're just enjoying the content on this channel, make sure you're smashing that like button on those videos, hitting the subscribe button, and hitting that notification bell so that this content can get promoted up on YouTube so that more people like you can see this and help protect themselves from the terrible cybersecurity incidents that are out there in the world. Also, make sure that you're sharing this with your family members and your friends so they can help protect themselves as well. If you guys have any cybersecurity topics that you guys would like to learn about, make sure to post a comment down below, either in this video or any of my other videos, and I will do my best to create a video on whatever subject that you're looking to get more knowledge on, or I'll point to you a video that talks about that subject. After all, this channel is about you guys, and whatever you guys want to learn, I'm willing to create a video on it because this channel is for you guys. And the more content that you guys can provide, the more beneficial this channel will be for you guys. All right, so there might be some people watching this channel that are like,
well, Levi, what makes you qualify to talk about the cybersecurity content?
well, like I said previously, I've been working in the IT industry since 2008 in multiple organizations in various departments in IT. As of the recording of this video, I've been in IT for 12 years, so I've seen a little bit of everything in IT. In my current organization, I'm actually an IT security coordinator, so I'm constantly training users on protecting themselves from cybersecurity threats. I'm working to help the organization protect itself from cybersecurity threats, and I'm eliminating the cybersecurity problems that we have. I also have a CompTIA Security Plus certificate, and I'm working on my CompTIA Cybersecurity Analyst certificate. As for the schedule of when I post on this channel, I try to post on Mondays and Wednesdays at 5:30 p.m. Central Time. I try to do my best to keep that posting twice a week on those days, so keep in tune on those days. Finally, one last word of advice for you guys is to understand that nothing is completely secure. Nothing is invincible. Anything can be broken into given enough time. The goal is to make it so it's hard enough for an attacker that an attacker wants to move on from you and go to an easier target because you're too hard for them. And that's the goal on this channel, is to give you guys information so that you guys can be a hard target and the attacker will move on from you guys. And you can go on with your daily lives and not have to deal with a terrible cybersecurity incident for you or your organization. So that's the goal of this channel. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this content, and I wish you a very fantastic day.